Mega love shout out, 12 million viewers. Thank you. By the way, Sir Jansel, thank you so much. You're also commenting English. Yes, I'm Filipino, but I'm talking English because I have more viewers also in different countries. So for us to understand each other, that's why I'm speaking English here. I'm in lingerie shop. A well-known lingerie shop. So not only lingerie, we have also apparel, we have perfumes, we have body care collections. Yes, you are right, Lindsay. You are right, you are right. Everyone is fair in the eyes of God. So we are all the same regardless of nationalities, regardless of your skin color. So we have to respect each other. I forgot my black coffee. I forgot to prepare my black coffee. I'm always having black coffee, guys. But sometimes if I feel like I need some energy, then I'm taking 3-in-1. But in the morning, I used to have black coffee. In the morning, sorry. I know it's not morning anymore. But since my duty time is like this, so that's why I feel like it's still morning. It's already afternoon here. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 10 million viewers. Thank you. So this is my additional. My additional. It's like toasted bread. It's nice with black coffee. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I lost my slipper.